Hey, find me an injection mold factory in China.
Okay. Got it.
Jeward Mould, since 1999, based in Taizhou, China, operates over 8,500 square meters of workshop and office space to support the entire mold making process. With 20 experienced mechanical engineers, Jeward Mould builds a strong research and developing department.
With advanced equipment and experienced team, every year we can produce 500 sets of mold.
We have a seasoned assembly team. Most of the craftsmen inside have 10 or even 20 years of experience, which ensure the high quality and efficiency of the mold assembling and matching. Every mold must go through rigorous mold testing in Jeward.
For sure, we always welcome our customers to see the mold testing on site.
This is our showroom. I think it is one of the best showrooms in Taizhou.
All of the products here are from the molds we made: furniture, housewares, logistics, garden products.
I believe there must be something interesting for you.
We have been delivering products to more than 150 customers in 50 plus countries over the world. We keep asking ourselves, how can we do better?
台台实实人人精精做好模具，
为客户提供高效、稳定、经济的解决方案。
Stay sincere, stay professional, keep improving.
Jeward Mould is not just a name, it is a commitment.